battles, as you can see here. And the guy kills me. So I'm gonna fast forward. We start the next round, and this is what happens. I start lagging, go even underground. You see there, and also when I get here, I lag into there, which affected me because I could have been killed him already, or had the bomb planted. So once again, here it is. Back into the ground. There I am. I'm like literally sliding. And right here.
Securing Charlie.
Like literally like doing the forward moonwalk.
Securing Alpha.
So thanks.